Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. Identify your device and which screen reader is active, because each one stops differently. On Windows, check Narrator. On Mac OS, VoiceOver. On Android, TalkBack. On iOS, VoiceOver. Once done, make sure you have input access, keyboard for desktop or touchscreen gestures for mobile, and that you can reach settings quickly. This saves time. Now head straight to accessibility or ease of access, because that is where you'll toggle the service off. Next, execute the specific toggle for your platform. On Windows, press Win plus Control plus Enter to stop narrator. On Mac OS, press Command plus F5 or use System Settings Accessibility VoiceOver. On iOS, use the side or home button triple press or Settings Accessibility. On Android, open Settings Accessibility TalkBack and flip the switch. Make sure to confirm any dialog that asks to stop the service. If an app has its own voice features, return to the app's accessibility or audio setting. Finish by verifying the reader is actually off. Speech should stop and focus navigation should look normal. If audio continues, quit the app or restart the device. That often clears stuck services. If the reader still persists, go back to accessibility and toggle the service off. Wait 5 seconds, then leave it off. Restarting afterwards helps. One key troubleshooting tip. If shortcuts don't work, check for custom key mappings or admin restrictions, because those can prevent the standard toggle from functioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.